Hi, welcome to the Excel for Statistics class. This course teaches you statistical thinking concepts that are essential for learning from data and for making business decisions. By the end of the course, I hope you will be able to perform basic statistics using Microsoft Excel. In this meeting, we will learn some statistical functions that can be used in Microsoft Excel. Functions are predefined formulas that perform calculations by using specific values called arguments or structure. Functions can be used to perform simple or complex calculations. The Excel functions that we will learn in this meeting are there are 10 functions that we will learn in this meeting. The first one is percentile include, and then the second one is percentile exclude, and then the third one is quartile include, and then for one is quartile exclude. Number 5 is rank EQ, and then number 6 is rank average, and then number 7 is percent rank include, and then the number 8 is percent rank exclude. For the number 9 is hermine, number 10 is trimean. And then we can break these 10 functions into two type of functions. So for the percentile include until the percent rank exclude is the percentiles, quartiles, and rank type of function. And then for the hermine and then trimean is average type of function. Okay, without waiting any further, we just go to the first function. The first one is Okay, the first one is percentile exclude. So percentile exclude is a function used to find the value of the k percentile in a range, where k is in the range from 0 to 1. It is exclusive. I'm sorry, it's not exclude, but it's exclusive. Okay, the syntax of the function is equal percentile exclude, and then the item is array and k. Okay, so for the array is array or range of data specifying relative positions. And then for the k is percentiles values in the range from 0 to 1. It is exclusive. And then we have this kind of data set. You may type the data set first before we continue to perform the percentile exclusive function. You may pause this video, and after you finish the data set, you can play the video again. Okay, so I assume we already finished the data set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data. Okay, so for the k, maybe for the example, we use 0.5, and then let's perform the percentile exclusive. So to perform the percentile exclusive, we put equal percentile exclusive. And then for the array is from 1 until 9, semicolon, and then we put k in here. The result is 5. Okay, so the value of the k percentile is 5. Okay, this is the percentile exclusive. Oh, sorry. Wait a moment. Okay, so before the percentile exclusive, I'm sorry, it must be the percentile inclusive. So we just go to the percentile inclusive. We just skip the percentile exclusive, and then we now learn about the percentile inclusive. Okay. So for the percentile inclusive is a function used to find the value of k percentile in a range, where k is in the range from 0 until 1, including 0 and 1. The syntax of the function is equal percentile inclusive, and then the item is array and k. Array is array or range of data specifying relative positions. K is the percentile values in the range 0 until 9. It is inclusive. Okay, we can use the data from the percentile exclusive before. You may just copy the data set and move it into the new sheet. And then let us perform the percentile inclusive function. For the percentile inclusive function, for the k, this is just the example. You may change the number from 0 until 1. Equal percentile inclusive. For the array is from 1 until 9, and then semicolon, and we should put the k. So for the k is 0.2 in here, close the bracket, and the result is 2.6. So these are the percentile inclusive and percentile exclusive example. Okay, and then the next one, we will learn the quartile inclusive. So for the quartile inclusive is a function used to find the quartile of a function used to find the quartile of a data unit based on percentile values that include from 0 to 1. Okay, so quartile is in statistics, a quartile is a type of quantile which divides the number of data points into 4 parts or quarters of more or less equal size. Okay, so the syntax of the function is equal quartile inclusive array and quart. Array is array or range of numeric cells for which you want to find the quartile value. And then the quart indicates which value should be returned. Okay, so we have this kind of data. You may finish the data set first, and you can pause the video, and then after you finish the data set, you can play the video again. Okay, so I hope you already finished the video. So we have data, the numerical data from 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12. Okay, so, and then for the quart, I choose 1 in here for the example. You may change the number between 0 until 1. Let us perform the quartile inclusive function. So we type quartile inc. For the array, we put 1 until 12, semicolon, and put the quart in here. And the result is 4. Okay, so the quartile for this data set is 4. Okay, And then the next one we will learn about the quartile exclusive. So a quartile exclusive is a function used to find the quartile of a data unit based on percentile values that includes 0 until 1 exclusive. It is exclusive, I mean. And then the syntax of the function is equal quartile exclusive array and quart. Array is array or range of numeric cells for which you want to find the quartile value. And then for the quart indicates which value should be returned. Okay, so we have this data set that is different from the quartile inclusive. So you may make this data set first to learn to perform the quartile exclusive. You may pause the video after you finish the dataset. You can play this video again. Okay, so I assume you already finished the dataset. Okay, so we have 8, 9, 16, 46, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 57, and 59. Okay, so for the quart, I may type 0.5 in here. For the example, you may change between 0 and 1. To perform the quartile exclusive, we put equal number in here and then equal symbol and then quartile exclusive. Open the bracket, put the array, semicolon, the quart. And then the result is, oh, I'm sorry, it should be 1, I'm sorry. Or 0 maybe. Oh, okay. So for the quart, right now we should be fill it with the 1, okay, for now. And then the result is 16, okay. So this is the example of the quartile function. And then the next one is rank EQ. Rank EQ is the function used to determine the rank of a number in a list of numbers. The syntax of the rank EQ function is equal rank EQ, and the item is number, ref, and order. For the number is the number whose rank you want to find. And then for the ref is an array or a reference to a list of numbers. These non-numeric values in the ref argument are ignored. And then for the order is how to set a rating. Okay. So we have new dataset in here. As always, you may finish the dataset first. You can pause the video, and after you finish the dataset, you can play the video again. Okay, so I assume you already finished the dataset. So we have 1, F4, 1, 2.5, 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 3.2, and 7. Okay, so for the number I choose 4, you may change it as what number you like. And then for the order, I just put 1 in here. And then how to perform the rank EQ? We type rank EQ, open the bracket, put the, oh, sorry. The first one, we put the number and then put the reference for the array from the 4 until 7, semicolon, the order 1. Okay, as you can see in here, if you put 0 in the order, it will be rank, sorry, descending. But if you put 1 in the order, it will be ranked in the ascending format. Okay, but for now we will put 1 for the example. And then the result is 7. Okay, so for the rank of a number from number 4 in this data set is 7. Okay, you may count it by yourself, but the result is already 7. Okay, and then the second rank type of function, we will learn how to do the rank of range. Okay, rank of range is a function used to determine the rank of a number in a list of numbers. The syntax of the function is equal rank of range. The item is number, ref, and order. The number is the number whose rank you want to find, and then the ref is an array or a reference to a list numbers. Non-number values in the ref arguments are ignored as always. And then for the order is how to set a rating. 0 for descending and 1 is for ascending. And then the data set is the same with the rank EQ before. So you may just copy the file at the data set and then put it in the new sheet. Okay, so for the number I choose 4 again, and then for the order I choose 1. You can change it by anything you like. And then how to perform the rank of rates, we put equal rank of EG, then put the number, put the ref, and then put the order. And then the result is still 7 for the number 4. Okay, and then we will learn how to perform the percent rank inclusive. Okay, percent rank inclusive is used to determine the rank of a value in a group of data as a percentage of a group of data. The syntax of the function is equal percent rank inclusive. The item is array, x, and significance. Array is array or range of data with numeric values describing their relative positions. And for the x is the number you want to rank for. And then for the significance is a value that specifies the number of significant digits for the return percentage value. It is optional, but for the array and x, it is required. Okay, so for the data, we have new data set. You may finish the data set first, and you can pause the video. After that, you can play the video again. Okay, so I assume you already finished the data set. So we have 4, 5, 6, 9, 9. Okay, so for the x or the number I want to rank for is 6. And the significance, I just put 0, or we just not fill it up. Okay, so to perform the percent rank inclusive in here is equal percent rank inclusive, open the bracket, array from 4 to 9, and then for the x. And then the result is 50%. Okay, and then for the percent rank exclusive, is the same like percent rank inclusive, is used to determine the rank of value in the group of data as percentage of a group of data. The syntax of the function is equal percent rank exclusive, same like the inclusive one. The data is same as the inclusive one. You may use the data before and put it in a new sheet. And then for the k, I just put 6 in here. You may change it. And then to perform it, we put percent rank. Then for the array, we put here. And then for the k, we put in here. Okay, so the rank exclusive, result is 50%. Okay, for the last two is hermine and trimean. So for the hermine is a function used to calculate the harmonic average of dataset. The syntax of the function is equal hermine number 1, number 2, and so on. So the number is 1 to 255 arguments for which you want to calculate the mean. Okay, so the dataset, maybe, okay, this is different. So you may put the dataset first in your sheet. You may type it, and then you may pause the video too. And after you finish the dataset, you can play the video again. Okay, so I assume you already finished your dataset. So we have customer, product, amount, price, and total. So to perform the hermine function, we just put hermine, and I want to find the average, the harmonic average from the amount. So we put the array, the number array from 6 until 3, and enter. So the hermine results, or the harmonic average from the amount column, is 3.960396. And then the last one for the trimean. Trimean is a function used to find the average of a data series. The syntax is equal trimean and array percent. The array or range of values, array is the array or range of values to trim and average, and for the percent is the fractional number of data points to exclude from the calculation. The dataset is the same with hermine before, so you may just put copy from the hermine and then put it in a new sheet. And then for the percent, I choose 0.5. You may change it as you like. And then let us try to perform the trimean. So for the trimean, we put equal trimean, and then for the array, we choose the, as always, we choose the amount. I want to find the average, trimean average from the amount column, and then the array is 6 under 3, semicolon, and then for the percentage is 0.5. And then the result is 4.5 for this dataset and for this percentage. Okay, so that's all for this meeting. From this meeting, I hope you learn much about the basic statistic from the percentile until the trimean function. So I hope it will be help you to for your journey to learn about the statistics in the Microsoft Excel, on the Microsoft Excel. So see you in the next meeting. Goodbye.